Hello guys, are you about to start a YouTube channel, or are you worried, or you need someone to put you through the process of starting up a YouTube channel? That is why I'm making this video. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process of starting up a YouTube channel. It might not be very detailed, but I promise you it's going to be enough for you to start up. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through the process of starting a YouTube channel. One, the money. So if you are looking for a source of income, or you are looking for a means of livelihood, should I say that? But if you are actually someone who likes money, YouTube is now a very good platform to make money. You make money in different ways from YouTube. So I think the first reason, even though this shouldn't be your first reason why you should start a YouTube channel, because it might frustrate you at the long run, but money is a very good motivation to starting up your own YouTube channel. So because YouTube pays you through AdSense and other things, which I'm going to mention later in this video. Reason why you should actually start a YouTube channel is because YouTube gives you a platform. So a YouTube channel gives you your own platform, and this your platform is where you can express yourself, you can give your opinion, you can come on here and say whatever you feel like you want to say. So YouTube actually gives you a platform to advertise yourself, a platform to sell yourself, a platform to advertise your own business. It gives you a platform to gain love, to gather community and meet people. So I think that is a good reason why you should start a YouTube channel. If you want to give the world something from within and nobody is giving you that platform, why not start a YouTube channel? Before you know it, people will start listening to you. Third reason why you should actually start up your own YouTube channel is for documentation. A lot of lifestyle vloggers, they document the life of their children every day, every time, for documenting of events, for documenting of your stories and things. And at the long run, you need them, and when you look back at all these things that you've documented, you are really happy. So I think YouTube has given this platform for documentation. Check all these lifestyle vloggers. You see that they document their daily life, and at the long run they have a profile. So the fourth reason why you should actually start up your own YouTube channel is to learn. So there are a lot of things to be learned online, and YouTube gives you that platform. So it helps you to learn. Like I have learned a lot of things, both related to YouTube and outside of YouTube. And this all happened because I started a YouTube channel. So now I can edit, I can talk, I can do a lot of things, and it all started from YouTube. So YouTube gives you the learning process. The reason why you should actually open or own your own YouTube channel is the fun. YouTube is actually fun, a very big fun. So you can't imagine the joy I get when I actually film my own videos. You can't imagine the fun, how fun it is to film your own YouTube videos and post it there and have people watch you. So it's actually a way of giving back to the society. It's actually a way of you relieving yourself of a lot. Okay, there are a lot of ways you can make money on YouTube. First way, which is the main source of income for YouTube, is AdSense. YouTube actually puts adverts on your videos, and as long as people watch those adverts, YouTube will pay you at the end of the month for those adverts. So AdSense, which are the adverts placed on your videos by YouTube, you make money. And before you can start making money on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So when you have this, you are eligible to make money on YouTube. But some ways of making money on YouTube does not really require you getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So the second way you can also make money on YouTube is through affiliate. You buy, maybe you buy your cameras, you buy your you just buy things you use, and then you come on here, tell people about it, put the link down below, and people buy using your link. When they buy using your link, they pay you. So this is another way of making money on YouTube. And this affiliate does not really require you having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So the other way you can make money on YouTube is by brand deals. So many brands that see your content and they feel they can relate with what you're talking about, or is consigning their brands, so they can come on here, give you a brand deal to make videos for them, or mention them in their video, or take pictures of their goods, or just anything. And so another way you can also make money is through gifts. The gifts from your subscribers, when they see that you are actually doing well, so they can gift you, or they can send you packages to review for them and things like that. So you see, those ways you don't really have to be monetized by YouTube before you can do this thing. Another way you can make money here on YouTube is by merchandise. And by merchandise, we mean you own your own goods, maybe a shirt, maybe a hairline, maybe anything. You just sell your own goods online. So when you have trusted subscribers, people who trust you, and you bring your goods here, they actually buy from you. And when they buy from you, you make money. So there are a lot of other ways you can make money on YouTube. If I haven't mentioned it here, you can as well find out more. So these are the ways you can actually make money on YouTube. You see, there's money here, brother. There's money. So you can come on here and make money. The first thing you should know is that it doesn't just start flowing. So you should know that it cannot be rosy from the beginning. So sometimes you make video and just one person watch it. That is it. So you have to know that you should be patient to grow on this platform. You might not actually make it the first day you do your video here. And the second thing I usually advise people is, do not put out the email address you are using for your YouTube channel out there. So your email address that you're using for your YouTube channel shouldn't be your regular email address. Maybe you should create a new email address for your YouTube channel, because it is easier for people to just use that email and then they log you out of your channel and take over. So I advise you keep it separate from the email you use on a regular. And the third thing you should also know is that you should create an email address that is specifically for your brand deals and for your YouTube stuff. So don't use the same email you are using to get other stuffs to create your YouTube as an email where you receive brand deals, because you might get it all mixed up and don't know when a brand is calling out for you or when something serious is coming out for you. Another thing you need to know is editing. While editing, many of us like using music to edit our video. So the thing you need to know is that YouTube do not play with copyrighted music or videos. So you shouldn't edit your video using a copyrighted music. So you can easily get a music, or you can get music that are copyright free. Maybe you use YouTube music, you get music that are copyright free, because at the long run your videos might start getting potentials, might start getting views and all that, and you might not be able to make money from it, because when you have anything copyright in your videos, YouTube will not pay you for that video. So be careful of the videos you put in, like all these Big Brother Naija videos and all that. Be careful of it. I don't know how some people do it, but they actually can do it. But be careful not to get a strike from YouTube. So the thing you should know is, do not use a copyright music while editing your video. Another thing you need to know is, do not use other people's video. Be creative. Make your own videos. YouTube is not that hard. It is you that want to be creative that made it hard. So if you don't want to have issues here, don't use other people's video. Make your own video. Be authentic, be original. It is easy to grow here on YouTube. Just be consistent and you are going to grow. So don't use other people's video. Make your own videos. Check out niches that you like, and when you check out those niches and you see videos and content that they make and they are doing well, why not recreate it in your own original form? Don't fake it. So the other thing you need to know here on YouTube is that consistency is the real deal. So when you come here every day and just watch other people's video and not drop your own video, YouTube is watching, because YouTube actually is somebody's business. And imagine you showing up at your company once every day, once every week, once every month, or once in 6 months. YouTube is not going to push your videos and you're not going to grow. So if you really want to make it here on YouTube, I would advise that you stay consistent. If you want to be uploading once every week and you know you can stick to that schedule, keep on uploading once every week. Don't make 10 videos and upload it once. Upload maybe upload those videos once, like in a day. You upload 10 videos a day and stay 1 year, not come back here again. You are not going to grow that way. If you make 10 videos, why not upload 2 every week until you exhaust those 10? So I think this is something you should know, that consistency is a very big deal on YouTube. So when you are consistent, you are going to grow. No matter how slow the growth is, you will grow one day. So okay, another thing you need to know is that starting a YouTube channel, you do not need to break your bank for it. Don't go and start buying cameras, ring lights, lightings, and everything before you start a YouTube channel. What if you fall out of love? What if you do not want to do it again? But if you have this money, by all means do that. It's going to give your video quality that is higher than mine, and people might like you for that. So if you have money to do this, you can do it. But I do not advise that for a YouTube starter. I don't advise that for a beginner, because when you buy things, buy equipment and all that, you might not really use them at the long run. So you can just start your YouTube channel by getting a big window in front of you where you get light, obviously, and then your phone, place it in a vertical form and film your video. That is like the first step to starting up your YouTube channel. Don't wait until you have everything in place before you start. Start small. Nobody has a perfect video. Nobody should have all perfect videos from the beginning. You should make mistakes so you can have stories to tell. If you go through all my videos, you see I'm still making mistakes. That is because I am willing to grow with this platform. So I will change my lighting, I will change my filming setup and all that when the Alright guys,
you just go to your YouTube app.
Thank you for watching this
when
video.
you open
This
your
is not the
YouTube
kind
app,
of
you're
content
going to
I
see this
actually
tiny
do here,
icon there.
but because
Click
I get
on
a
it.
lot of questions
Then you
about
see
it,
add
that
account,
is
or
why
you
I'm
can
doing
just
this.
go
So
direct,
if you
because
actually
some
like
people already
this
have their
video, or
YouTube account
you like what
created.
you've had so
So
far,
when you click
please
on
consider
add account,
subscribing.
you are going to
Maybe I
add your
might do
email
something
address.
on
So
it
the
next
only
time.
thing